So here in the next activity, we are going to demonstrate a basic SQL injection attack using Burp Suite on the Altoro Mutual demo website. So first, let's open the website of the Altoro Mutual. Next is we're going to log in. Before submitting the form, make sure that intercept is on on the proxy tab. We can see the login page. Let's type let's type again a random credential for both fields. Here in the intercepted request, we see the username and password. Let's replace it with a common SQL injection payload. We can use and the next is we click the forward. So let's go back to the page of CD. So as we can see here, this payload allows the SQL query runs on the server, making it always return true. As we click forward in the modified request, back in the browser, we see that we log in without using the real credentials. This confirms the SQL injection worked. Well, this kind of attack works when the backend code directly inserts user input into SQL inject statements without proper sanitation. It also shows an attack how attacker can bypass authentication and potentially access sensitive information. Also, SQL injection is a serious vulnerability that can lead to data breaches or full control over the database if not prevented. So let's try to sign off. So let's see successfully. So to prevent SQL injection and secure web application, here are some best practices. First one is to use prepared statements. This ensures that the user input is treated as data, not code. Second one is validate and sanitize user input. Only accept expected input formats, reject or escape dangerous characters. Third one is implement web application firewalls. This can detect and block SQL injections attempts. Next is use least privilege access for database. Don't give the web application more permissions than necessary. And the last one is regularly test your code. Perform security testing using tools like Burp Suite and follow secure coding standards. Following these practices greatly reduces the risk of SQL injection and strengthens overall web security. And that completes the activity 2, which is performing SQL injection.